Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, my name is Immy and I absolutely love everything related to beauty. So it is officially fall season, and as the weather changes, I can seriously feel my skin drying up and feeling really tight and flaky. So I really need to take care of my skin, and I feel like this video could really help some of you guys out there. So if it does help you, make sure you do like my video, and I'm going to be sharing lots more remedies as well. I would be sharing more videos like related to other things as well, so make sure you are subscribed. So years ago, what I used to do was I would take care of my face, moisturize my face, and really forget about my body and ignore my hands, my feet, my legs, and they would literally like dry up and flake up so bad. But I have started taking care of my body as well, and I can really see a difference. My skin is so glowy and soft and supple, and this is the remedy that I have been using for a few weeks now since fall started, and it is doing wonders. It is not oily at all. So today I am sharing a DIY remedy for a winter cold cream. Now this is not a typical cold cream which is very thick in texture. It's a very light cold cream with all the moisturizing properties, and I promise you guys, this winter and fall you will not want to be buying any other creams. You can make this one at home in batches and you will be using it. I swear you guys will be using it in summer too once you start. To make my night winter cream, I used half a cup of cream. If you have oilier skin and you don't need as much as moisture, go ahead and use a lotion and it will work exactly the same. I'm using two different creams over here, but it absolutely doesn't matter what sort of cream you use. So the other thing we are using is 1 tablespoon of almond oil. So the almond oil is so great because it's got vitamin E and it actually helps fade hyperpigmentation. So I think a lot of you guys don't know this about me, but I'm personally such a clumsy person. Because I am so clumsy, I often have strange marks on my body, and like I would have to fade them away. Like I burnt my arm over here, and vitamin E is great at fading those kind of spots. The other thing I am using is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You will see that coconut oil absorbs into your skin straight away. The other thing I am using is 1 tablespoon of glycerin. I am using vegetable glycerin over here, and I find this to be so great at kind of like holding on to the ingredient I'm adding next, which is 1 tablespoon of hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is so great because it kind of like absorbs the water and it will keep your skin looking glowy and hydrated and plump. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of hyaluronic acid, and lastly we are adding 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. So with the Vaseline, I'm melting it using a candle, but you can absolutely use a double boiler if you are making a larger quantity. And lastly, we are going to be combining all these ingredients. So when you first start combining all the ingredients in the winter night cream, you might feel like that the oil is separated, the Vaseline is separated, and the cream is separated, but you just gotta keep mixing it, whisk it up as much as you can, and I promise you it will become in one piece. And if you want, you can even keep it in your fridge. This actually stores very well, and I use the same one for up to 1 or 2 months. So this bottle I'm making over here will last me about a month because I'm using it on my arms, my legs, and also my neck, and it is like going to give you the glowiest skin, not oily at all, and it will absorb straight away. Please share this recipe because I know a lot of you guys are gonna find it handy, and do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate if you guys let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next and if I could help you guys in any way. So thank you guys so much for watching my remedy. I absolutely love this winter night cream, so I wanted to share it as soon as possible so you guys can make it. And if you do make it, do tag me on Instagram. My username is Immy Maryam. I love seeing your guys' remedies and sharing them as well, so do tag me on that. Bye.